Hi, this is Henry Fu from DataON. Today, I will provide you with an overview of the network ports and cabling for Kepler 2-node K2N-108. DataON's K2N-108 consists of two STD5108 servers. These two servers use high bandwidth, low latency RDMA Ethernet connections to communicate directly with each other without a switch, as I will show you later. These STD5108 servers are 1U high with support for 2 CPUs, 1.5 terabytes of memory, and up to 8 drive bays. Let's take a look at the network ports on the K2N-108. I will start with the onboard ports. First, we have the dedicated baseboard management controller ports for out-of-band management. This is an RJ45 port that allows you to access the server's hardware via browser even when the base operating system is not running. Next, we have two RJ45 10 gigabit Ethernet ports for north-south client and management access. This is typically for access to your domain controller, client application access, and RDP to the servers for management. Now we move to the two SFP plus 10 gigabit Ethernet ports on an OCP card, also for north-south client and management access. This is an alternative to your two RJ45 ports I just mentioned if you have SFP plus ports on your switches instead of RJ45s. Finally, we have two SFP28 RDMA ports on a PCIe card for east-west traffic. These ports provide high bandwidth, low latency connections between the nodes to handle cluster storage data, cluster heartbeats, and live migration services. In case you're not familiar, SFP28 has the same form factor as SFP+. With an SFP28 capable network card and cable, the network can run at 25 gigabits instead of 10 gigabits. Now let's take a look at the cabling for each type of port. First, we will illustrate two customer switches that has both RJ45 and SFP+ ports. For the BMC, we will run Cat6 cables from the dedicated BMC ports to the switches. For the 10 gigabit RJ45 ports, we will connect those to the switches for north-south traffic. They should be teamed using switch-embedded teaming for high availability. As an alternative to the 10 gigabit RJ45 ports, we can connect the 10 gigabit SFP+ ports from the OCP adapter to the switches. Finally, for the every deployment, we will connect the two SFP28 ports on each server to the corresponding port on the other server for the node-to-node traffic. Each of these connections will be on a separate subnet according to Microsoft's best practice. To put it all together, I will now show the full connections diagram for the two options with K2N-108. Here's the first one with RJ45 for north-south. Here's a diagram with SFP Plus for north-south. For more information about K2N-108, visit our website at DataONStorage.com.